exist that is hindering access to power in the counties?
Thank you very much, Trevor. We know that the issue of energy in Kenya has not fully been developed, and therefore there is a lot that needs to be done by the national government. We did, as a Senate committee, institute an inquiry where we tried to address some of those gaps. Indeed, there are some gaps that we need to look at. We need to look at the bill that's there. We need to look at the regulation which operationalizes the bill. But most importantly, what we need to do is to sit down between the national and the county government, and more specifically because we know the Kenya Kwanza government is gearing towards starting up industrial processing parks in all the counties, and there'll be much more increase in demand for power. And before we get there, we need to answer the question, will that power be available? Will it be affordable? Or even, will we be able to bring the cost of that power down? Those are some of the questions that we need to look at. We in the Senate, we are looking at that, and therefore we are starting the conversation, how do we move forward? We know one of the biggest challenges that most, if not all the IPPs in Kenya are foreign currency dominated, because the Kenyan pension scheme has not been, until the entry of the Kenya Kwanza government, has not been substantive. Now with the coming of the Kenya Kwanza government, where we are making substantial contribution, we'll be hoping that our pension will also be invested in the energy sector, because what we are doing right now, if you look at most of the investors in this country, we are borrowing money from foreign countries, we are growing foreign pensions, and therefore the foreigners are making profit out of that. However, with the measures that have been put in place by the Kenya Kwanza government, we'll be expecting Kenyans to put their pension in this energy sector, and therefore they'll be growing their own pension and reducing the fraction of the amount that we are paying with foreign-dominated currencies into Kenyan currency, which will address the issue of one of the main causes of fluctuation being the foreign exchange fluctuation.
Naam, waziri, kuna yale maeneo ambayo tumetaja kwamba mpaka sasa hayajapata umeme, tuseme tangu Kenya ipate uhuru. Na kuna mashirika ambayo yanachukua hiyo fursa ya kuona kwamba Kenya Power haijafika pale. Haya mashirika yanazalisha kawi, wengine kwa mfano wanatumia kawi ya jua, na hiyo kawi wanauzia wanakijiji pale, na hata wanalipa kupitia tokens ambazo wameweka kupitia hayo mashirika yao. Sijui mashirika kama